Saurabh Gadgil to this interview for Forever Mark Forum, which is starting on August 24th. So, Saurabh, we have been a partner with Forever Mark for so many years. What do you think about the change of branding from Forever Mark to De Beers Forever Mark?
Yeah, like you rightly said, we have been associated with Forever Mark for many number of years now. We have been actively working with them. I think this whole strategy of trying, to attach or to, put forward the De Beers name along with Forever Mark is a very, very strategic and well thought move, I would say. From the retail perspective, when we talk to consumers, in India, when we talk of diamond, the first name comes with De Beers. ये diamond De Beers का है क्या? So it is so strongly associated with De Beers that in India, diamond, 4Cs, De Beers go hand in hand. So I think somewhere the faith of Forever Mark is already established in the market. There are people who are buying Forever Mark, looking at the Forever Mark qualities and the assurances. And now De Beers backing it up with the brand name. I think it's a great move.
So, Saurabh, you have been part of Forever Mark diamond jewelry now for a long time. And now, after the lockdown, the stores open till 4 o'clock in Pune and the rest of Maharashtra districts. So, how has been the business now, and what do you foresee the future for this year?
We all know 2 months, April, May was almost pan-India lockdown, and we lost a lot of business due to wedding season, the festive season. There was skepticism on how the industry will bounce back, what will be the rate of bounce back. But, it's been phenomenal. Last 2 months have really been good for business. The first month was primarily a lot of gold buying because people had just come out of COVID and they were looking at safety, investment. But post that, diamonds have picked up in a big way. And in diamond, we're seeing a lot of jewelry demand for, casual wear, gifting, even bridal, just happy jewelry. And the trend which is coming forward from all this is diamond certification, your policies, buyback, and consumers are now getting more and more serious about the future. If I'm purchasing today, what is the value, what is the guarantee of this purchase the next 5 years, next 10 years? So this, in the coming years, I think it's the era of transparency, is the era of origins. Where is it being bought from? What is the ethical purchase? So all these things are going to play in consumers' mind. And I think the market in India is definitely evolving. So COVID, the 2 years, we have seen tough times, but I think these times have also changed consumers' buying patterns. So the market looks positive. And like you mentioned, it's business for 5 hours, 6 hours, but people are coming and shopping. So the business in the 8 hours is not happening in 5 hours. So we would definitely take it as a sign that, if you open for 8 hours, we'll have more business. But on the other side, you're not losing business because of this shortened time because people are coming and buying. So all in all, let's hope that it's on a path of recovery and we keep on moving ahead.
Lovely, lovely. That's great to hear, Saurabh. And finally, what are your expectations from Forever Mark Forum? There are a lot of new collections getting launched. They are also coming in jewelry certification for the first time. So what are your expectations, on the forum which is starting on 24th of August?
I think firstly, the biggest applause should go to Sachin and his team for doing the forum in a physical format. I think it's going to be a benchmark where other events will follow. Physical has more advantages. You meet people one-on-one, you get the vibe, you understand the atmosphere there. So I think hats off to that. And like always, I think the forum is going to be a mix of a lot of things. From the jewelry side, we'll see for the manufacturer kind of new designs, new collections. We are in the middle of the season and next 4 months look really promising. So that's one. The forum also is a place where you meet your fellow jewelers from different parts of India and overseas. You understand, how's the market, the trends coming up, what are the signals for the market in the coming months. So it's going to be a lot of one-to-one interaction. And finally, I think Sachin gets a lot of outside resources there, which kind of opens your eyes and ears and gives you a motivation for the coming time. So I'm sure it will be a great forum, and all of us, the jewelry industry, will definitely be there, looking forward to it. And I'm going to be personally present on the forum there. So wishing the entire team of Forever Mark, De Beers, all the very best.
Thank you very much, Saurabh. And we look forward to welcome you in the forum. Thank you.
My pleasure.